Hey there, you're a budding entrepreneur, ready to take your business to the next level. You've got the products, the passion, and the drive. But what about the logistics? How do you get your goods from point A to point B efficiently and cost-effectively? Today, we're diving into the world of relay business accounts. This is a game changer for businesses of all sizes, offering a convenient and reliable solution for shipping packages. Understanding relay business accounts. So, what exactly is a relay business account? It's essentially a shipping account tailored specifically for businesses. Unlike personal accounts, business accounts come with a host of benefits, including bulk discounts. The more you ship, the more you save. Priority shipping. Get your packages delivered faster and more reliably. Tracking and insurance. Keep tabs on your shipments and protect them from loss or damage. Customizable packaging. Brand your shipments and make them stand out. Opening a relay business account, step by step. Now, let's get down to business. How do you actually open a relay business account? Gather your documents. You'll need to provide proof of business, such as a business license, tax ID, or articles of incorporation. Choose a plan. Relay offers different plans to suit businesses of various sizes and shipping needs. Consider factors like shipping volume, delivery speed, and additional services. Fill out the application. Provide your business information, contact details, and payment method. Verify your identity. You may be asked to verify your identity through a phone call or email. Start shipping. Once your account is approved, you can start shipping packages using Relay's convenient online platform or mobile app. Tips for maximizing your Relay business account. Now that you have your account, how can you make the most of it? Optimize your packaging. Use the right size boxes and packing materials to minimize shipping costs and reduce the risk of damage. Leverage shipping discounts. Take advantage of bulk discounts, seasonal promotions, and other offers to save money on your shipments. Utilize tracking features. Monitor your shipments in real time to ensure timely delivery and address any issues promptly. Consider insurance options. Protect your valuable shipments with appropriate insurance coverage. Provide excellent customer service. Ensure your customers have a positive experience by offering tracking information, timely delivery, and responsive support. Common questions and concerns. Let's address some common questions and concerns you might have about Relay business accounts. Is it expensive to use a Relay business account? Can I ship internationally with a Relay business account? What happens if a package is lost or damaged? How do I resolve shipping issues? Conclusion. A Relay business account can be a valuable asset for any business that relies on shipping. By following the steps outlined in this guide and utilizing the tips and strategies we've discussed, you can streamline your shipping operations, save money, and provide exceptional customer service. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about Relay business accounts, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.